Do you feel that? Can you feel it calling? Is it a whisper in the back of your mind? Or is it a need that has to be met?
We're down here on the Arkansas River, just west of Cannon. We've been down here a couple times before, but never fly fishing. Man, this is amazing down here. If you ever get the opportunity, it sure is worth it. I had a buddy of mine in Texas, and every time I'd go fly fishing, he'd always ask me how did my twirling my little flags go. And he made fun of me for a while. Of course, he's a crappie fisherman and all that. And then I just took him once. He called me about 2 weeks later, and he cussed me like a dog. Because I just cost him about $2,000 because he bought a whole setup just to go start going fly fishing. This is addicting, but it is cheaper than golf and racing, but it's still expensive. Other than that, I'm gonna get this little fly back in the water. Well, it wasn't a good day fishing. Hold on, let me correct myself. It's always a good day fishing, if you catch something or not. Well, I appreciate you hanging around. I know I don't have any fish to show you, but that's why they call it fishing and not catching. Still a fantastic day. Beautiful views, snow-capped mountains. Always remember, leave it better than you found it. So until then, I'll see you down the road.